The drone showdown is heating up, with the Antigravity A1 360 drone already making waves in the market, while the DJI Mini 5 Pro is still gearing up for its grand debut. Antigravity has taken the lead with the world's first 8K 360 drone, delivering invisible drone shots, immersive flying, and endless creative reframing that puts it in a league of its own. Meanwhile, DJI fans are holding their breath for the Mini 5 Pro, rumored to pack smarter AI tracking, upgraded sensors, and pro-level performance in a sub-249-gram design. The question is, stick with the revolutionary now or wait for DJI's next move? Let's start with Antigravity A1. Antigravity A1, the world's first 360 drone. The drone world has just taken a huge leap forward with the introduction of the Antigravity A1, a groundbreaking flying machine that doesn't just capture video, it redefines how creators think about aerial storytelling. As the world's first drone with built-in 8K 360 capture, the A1 is a bold debut for Antigravity, a new brand incubated by Insta360. With immersive capabilities, lightweight design, and creator-focused features, this drone is shaping up to be one of the most innovative releases in years. 360 capture without limits. At the core of the Antigravity A1 is its dual-lens 8K 360 recording system. Unlike traditional drones that force pilots to frame their shots mid-flight, this drone records every angle at once. That means you can fly first and worry about framing later. Whether you want to punch in on a breathtaking landscape or create a dizzying horizon flip, the A1 makes it possible without missing a moment. Even better, thanks to advanced stitching algorithms, the drone literally disappears from the footage. This invisible drone effect ensures that your audience sees only the scene, not the machine capturing it. The result is a seamless, fully immersive video that places viewers directly in the action. A new way to fly. The Antigravity A1 isn't just about recording, it's about experiencing flight in a whole new way. Using free motion technology, the drone, paired with vision goggles and the grip controller, creates an incredibly natural and intuitive flying experience. Pilots can fly in one direction while looking in another, opening up creative possibilities that traditional FPV systems can't match. This immersive system puts creators inside their footage, making flights feel less like piloting a machine and more like soaring through the sky. And once you land, the 360 footage can be rewatched and explored endlessly, offering new angles every time. With 8K clarity, creators have the freedom to edit footage however they want. From tiny planet effects to cinematic widescreen exports, the A1 offers flexibility that traditional drones simply can't. Its workflow is also designed to be familiar to Insta360 X series users, making the transition seamless for those who already edit immersive 360 content. Weighing in at just 249 grams, the Antigravity A1 stays under the registration threshold in most countries, meaning more people can fly it without the hassle of permits or paperwork. Its compact design makes it backpack ready, so it's easy to bring along on adventures. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The A1 comes with return-to-home functionality and a payload detection system that prevents unauthorized modifications or misuse, ensuring the drone is used strictly for exploration and storytelling. In a unique move, Antigravity is inviting creators to join their co-creation project, giving early adopters the chance to test pre-production units and share ideas. Selected contributions could even make their way into the final retail version, rewarding participants with a share of a $20,000 reward pool. The Antigravity A1 is set to launch globally in January 2026, with final pricing, bundles, and regional details to be announced closer to release. The Antigravity A1 is not just a drone, it's a new way to see, fly, and create. Whether you're a casual flyer or a professional content creator, this 8K 360 powerhouse is shaping up to be the start of something revolutionary. Let's talk about DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you thought the DJI Mini 4 Pro was a showstopper, buckle up, because the first hands-on images of the DJI Mini 5 Pro have just crash-landed on the internet, and they're looking dangerously good. And I don't mean slightly better good. I mean DJI just walked into the drone arena like a video game character who's unlocked all the upgrades good. Sleeker body, beefed up brain power, and that smug little, yep, still under 249 grams grin. Fresh from the folks at Drone XL, these aren't blurry spy photos taken through a bush or AI-generated what-if renders. Nope, these are clean, detailed shots of the actual retail unit. It's the first time we've seen the Mini 5 Pro in the wild, fully dressed and ready to fly. Sure, the earlier packaging leaks gave us some hints, but now we're looking at the real thing in all its palm-sized glory. And right there, proudly plastered on its tiny frame, the C0 sticker, confirming it's still under the magical 249-gram limit. Translation: in the US, you can fly without FAA registration. For casual pilots, that's like getting a permanent skip the DMV line pass. This is where things start to get spicy. That front-mounted LiDAR sensor, it's not just a don't hit the tree babysitter. LiDAR works in low light, fog, or those heart-stopping moments when you're flying over a completely featureless landscape. And alongside it, DJI has thrown in LAR, likely LiDAR-assisted ranging, which means smarter navigation, sharper obstacle detection, and fewer "oops, I clipped a branch" confessions. In other words, the Mini 5 Pro just leveled up its survival instincts. Remember the one-time use propeller screws from the Mini 4 Pro? Yeah, they're gone. Instead, DJI has blessed us with a tap-and-twist propeller system. Changing props is now as easy as swapping batteries in your TV remote, minus the part where you're shaking it like a maraca trying to get it to work. And then there's the mysterious new button on top. The leading theory? It's a quick power-on button that works without the controller connected. That means you can be airborne in seconds when you spot that fleeting perfect shot. Camera upgrades that'll make you drool. Let's talk about the real star, the 1-inch sensor. This thing is a low-light beast and a detail-capturing monster. We're talking 4K at 120 FPS for slow motion that looks like it belongs in a blockbuster. Night shots? Crisp. City lights? Gorgeous. True vertical shooting keeps your footage sharp for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. No awkward cropping. And with a gimbal capable of rotating up to 225 degrees, you're suddenly pulling off angles you didn't think possible on a drone this size. And yes, the bigger camera housing isn't just for show. It's DJI's way of saying, haha, we dare you to take a bad shot with this. Fold it up and it's still palm-sized. That's not just a packing convenience. It's the difference between, I'll leave it, and sure, I'll bring it along. Whether you're hiking, road tripping, or just heading to the park, this thing practically begs to be tossed in your bag. Battery and flight time. DJI says 36 minutes of airtime, already a bump over the Mini 4 Pro, and if history repeats, there will be a plus battery option for even longer flights. That's fewer low-battery panic landings and more time capturing what you want. Tracking that keeps up with life. Full omnidirectional obstacle sensing means this drone can tail runners, bikers, skateboarders, probably even your dog, without losing focus. This isn't your basic follow mode. This is excited, I'm sticking with you till the end mode. When and how much? We don't have a confirmed store listing yet, but whispers point to a late September reveal. Price estimates hover around $900. Yes, that's a lot for something called Mini, but this isn't just a toy. It's shaping up to be a pro-grade tool in travel size. Of course, DJI isn't the only player in the game, but if history tells us anything, DJI's got the edge when it comes to balancing power, portability, and polish. If these leaks are legit, the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just breaking the rules, it's rewriting them. Imagine cramming a sports car engine into a go-kart and still keeping it street legal. That's exactly what DJI has pulled off here. For pilots who crave top-tier performance without lugging around a flying brick, this could be the defining drone of 2025. The only real question left is, how fast can you clear a spot in your gear bag? If you crave innovation and immersive 360 creativity right now, the Antigravity A1 is your winner. But if you'd rather wait for DJI's proven reliability with smarter AI and Pro upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro might be worth holding out for. The choice depends on your flying style.